So check this Xbox One S. Tries to turn on here, and then it dies. However, with a little pressure to the south bridge, we do get it to turn on for just a little bit. We do have something on screen for a little bit, but then it dies. So I think this needs to be reflowed. Let's go put it on the machine. So we have it on the machine here, and we're at the first phase. Alright, it's done here. Let's go test it. Alright, let's test it. Still have the same issue. I'm going to change this power chip here. Chip is removed, and I have the donor one right here. Alright, chip is installed. Let's test it. Alright, let's test. It's kind of on. Oh. So it's not the south bridge, it's not the power chip. Could it be the retimer? No, this thing is freaking odd. It even gives error messages too. It is allowing me to update. Let's try. Alright. And it is updating. That's weird. Did we fix it? Nope, it died in the middle of the update. Remove the retimer, still the same problem. Put this thing back under the machine. I'm gonna do the APU this time. Alright, I'm putting the APU under the machine now. We're in the first phase. And we're done with the reflow, and we're in the controlled cooling. We'll test it once it cools down. Alright, here goes nothing. Ah, it powers on, still nice. Womp womp, it dies right away. I mean, it still shows something here on the screen and dies. I'm thinking this could be one of these memory chips here because it stays on the safe mode and you can use safe mode. And I kept it on for maybe 10 minutes now and it's still on. So it's not something to do with the power or anything like that. It has to do with the data. Let's try to update it. Okay. And it tries to update here. 43% still going. Oh, and it died. So with the thermal cam here, I noticed that when it's not on, it is on right now. One of the memory chips doesn't come on. One of these guys right here. After putting a little bit of pressure, it's still going 88%. So I only have two hands, but I recorded them. And it turns out that this memory chip right here heats up, along with some funky activity with these two. Let's replace the one that heats up. Okay, so I reballed the replacement memory chip and I removed this one. I just placed it, let's give it a final reflow. Perfect, let's go test. Alright, does it even turn on? Oh, it still turns on, nice. And yeah, we still have something on the screen here, let's see. Let's keep it on for a while, play a game and see what happens. It didn't work, so we're gonna replace these two memory chips right here. Okay, we removed them here. Got the first chip on, the second one on. Let's add more flux and reflow. Alright, we're all done here. Let's go clean up and test. Okay, does it still power on? That didn't work, so I replaced both chips once again. Okay, let's test. Nice! And we got it here. And I've been testing it